it is controversial. Why it is a controversial topic? The government of Pakistan has officially decided to make the Gilgit-Baltistan a province through a complete process it has announced, but the process is being continued. Some are criticizing this point and some have applauded. So, to analyze it, we need to look into the history and try to understand it. Before partition, we know both Azad Kashmir and Gilgit Baltistan were the districts of J&K were the part of princely states. ठीक है. After the partition, India illegally captured the Kashmir. Locals started revolt and they successfully freed some part of their area, and it is divided into the two parts, Azad Jammu Kashmir and northern areas include Gilgit Baltistan in 1970. Under the presidency of Asif Zardari 2019, GB was given limited autonomy via empowerment and self-government ordinance. Now, the finally draft Gilgit-Baltistan Reform 2018 has been shared with Supreme Court. Through this, federal government aims to award GB provincial status to the decision of plebiscite promised by the UNA resolutions. Now, Pakistan need to take the step because this is a strategic location because it is 1300-kilometer Krokram Highway is the sole route that connects China, Pakistan and Central Asia. So if we have a province, we can hold our stance on this region. There is a news of huge Chinese. We know that the CPEC is the sole project where is a huge Chinese investment. So, the step to make the Gilgit-Baltistan province is applaudable and controversial. The biggest obstacle is the resolutions of UNA, because the UNSC has recognized this part as the princely state. If we make if we make this region as the province, then we geoparadise our stance on Kashmir issue. So there's a lack of social and political linkages between AJK and GB. The people of GB believe they would be given a provincial status and representation in National Assembly, while the people of AJK believe that GB is the part of Kashmir and it cannot be given a provincial status. Yes, it is a bitter reality. The government of Pakistan is responsible for this gap between these two regions. People of Gilgit-Baltistan have been run. Yes, the region is run by its locals since independence. GB affairs were run by the Interior Ministry and the Ministry of for GB affairs. Development through these masses, they fall behind because the Kashmir issues. Instead of providing them their rights, the men in power had turned them into against the Kashmir. Now there is the hatred between the people of IJK and GB. It may result in horrifying results. So no one is against the empowerment of GB. Only the point of leaders is GB is the part of disputed territory and cannot take such a steps. We geoparadise our stance and we violate the resolutions of UNSC. If we do this, then we are unable to hold our stance on the disputed area of Azad Kashmir, for which we have been fighting on the different international forums. It's from me. I have completed my topic.